I wish I was a cat. No school, no works, just meow meow.
You have to be honest. Am I ugly, yes or no?
It's okay, things happen for reasons that I can't ignore, yes.
Happy Halloween. It's not Halloween.
Shut the fuck up.
Happy Halloween. It's not Halloween.
Shut the fuck up.
Don't ask questions you don't wanna know. Learn my lesson way too long ago.
My plan is that I will be pilot and I'll help everyone. Pilot.
Yeah, he's a pilot.
Feel
I can squeeze you in at 7:30. Perfect. On November 16, 2023. But that's in 15.
I love cake so much.
She been saying just like a pogo. Fortnite, gon' solo. Fucking that bitch, I'm gon' solo. Walk you like a dog. Walk you like a dog.
Hola Juliana, ¿cómo estás? ¿Querés unas empanaditas de carne?
I like your ears.
Mine?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I like your spots.
Really? I used to cover them up, but you know.
Yeah, man, check out this dope shit. Like, yeah. What's wrong? Scared.
If it's a new character, we're gonna have to redo this whole theme song. Whatever you say, kid. Could also mean you just have a jump start and losing your mind.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. next, all of them spinning round and round. Round and round and round we going round and around we going round and round and round we going round.
An angel. What's your name? Satan.
Give me a pizza with extra cheese.
Extra cheese.
And hold the tomato sauce.
Hold the tomato sauce.
And hold the crust.
Hold the crust. Hey, Jimmy, give me a cheese with nut. Nothing?
What's your talent?
I can read minds.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
The apple.
What?
Okay, show me something you made that you're proud of. Wait, you made that? Are you? That's cool. Okay.
Pop it, twist it, pull it, twist it, pop it, twist it, twist it. Wow, 100! You beat Bob.
Put your hands in the air and move with the sound to the earthquake.
What you want to be, what you want to be, what you want
many rules for my house, but I do have one, and that is that we never, ever, 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 ever use the big light.
It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow, bow, bow. Pretty bitch, I'm trying to hit her with that bow, bow, bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow, bow, bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance, nigga.
But it's you I wanna take apart. And I will never ever be the first to say it, but still I may know her.
Просто нельзя притвориться летящим. Привет, пока все опять кувырком, а я остаюсь дурак дураком. И я продолжаю терять и врать, и я продолжаю не умирать. На азбуке мог завернуть звонков, на азбуке спич.
You bloody bastard bitch! Fuck you! Fuck you, bloody! Fucking mother bloody fuck bitch! Bitch, bloody fuck you fucking bloody bastard!
What?
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm fine with doing whatever, as long as I get to see funny things happen to people. Okay, I've already had enough of these things.
If I can't have you, no one can.
Day? Yeah. No, shut up. A good day? Yes. No, shut up. You're supposed to have taken him to the spa. I took him to the spa. He put me in the vegetable steamer. So, you got a boyfriend?
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
December.
Boredom, boundary and boredom. I can tell that your drinking eyes never open. I and say somebody will die, and I hate hoping. Wishing that the pills let you cry, and I hate hoping.
Okay, any questions before I go on from here? Great. I really understood that well.
Nice. Let's put the light here. That's it's from a movie, okay? It's a character that everyone can make. Own style, of course.
Привет, Ваня. Офицер. Я здесь, папочка.
Привет, Ваня. Офицер.
Привет, Ваня. Офицер. Я здесь, папочка.
Привет, Ваня. Офицер.
If I wasn't caught in this snare, I'd kill you.
If you stay in that snare, you'll die.
If I wasn't caught in this snare, I'd kill you.
If you stay in that snare, you'll die.
We're the wretch.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
Give me your answer to
Crazy, all for the love of you.
Sometimes things that look scary.
On the bottom, Paige, you were good. I'm waiting for you to be great. And next, Kendall. You didn't stick out to me. Next is Brooke. Next, Nia. You're third on the pyramid. You were third overall high score. And Mackenzie. And on top of the pyramid, going 3 for 3, once again, is Maddie.
Hey, where's Olivia? Oh, she's probably up at the house. Stewie. Yeah? It's not your fault. What? It's not your fault. I know. It's not your fault. I know. No, Stewie. It's not your fault. Don't do this to me, man. Not you, man. It's not your fault. Screw you. Cut it out, man. It's not your fault. Why is it so hard? I didn't know it was gonna be so hard.
Hey, Italian man. Huh?
What is going on here? Oh! Can you guys shut the f*** up here? Jesus Christ, shut up! What is going on? What's you guys doing? Can you be quiet? I'm trying to sleep!
Is your memory card set correctly? Hey, come on! Yeah. Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Close up the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. A world so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland.
Kota baru gunungnya berbeda, berbeda bagaimanapun di Salakara, bagaimanapun di Salakara. Bertemu lawanlah Adinda, Adinda iman di dadara, sama layang iman di dadara, sama layang. Sayang, sayang, si patokaan, matego gorokan. Sayang, 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 si patokaan, matego gorokan. Sayang.
Problem. Math problems. Oh, I can help you. Let me see. Alright, here's the easy one. What's 6 times 3? 6 times 3. I don't know. 6 times 3. I don't. 6 times 3. I legit don't know. 6, 3. I don't know. What is it? What is it? Get your mom. Why? Teresa! What's the problem? Homework. What's 6 times 3? I don't know. 6 times 3. I don't know. What's 6 plus 6? Oh, 12. Now add 6. I don't know. What is it? What is it? Get your math teacher. Who? Mr. Patrick. Boom. What? Homework. I taught you this. What's 6 times 3? I don't know. Look, if Johnny had 6 times 3 amounts of this soap, how much this soap would he have? How much? How much? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Look at me.
Let's do it. You need a cardboard, then cut it into a triangle like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 long pieces. Stick on 2 sides. Shut it down. Make 2 things. This tape to connect them together. Very good. Crumple the red paper, then stick it in here. Red color, take a bit to paint the mouth. This white to make the saliva. Now make the tooth. Paint it yellow, add some black. We need many teeth. Stick them all here. Kinda scary. Draw 2 lines of tongue. Cut. Okay. Put the skin tags. Take some black to make it dirty. Done the tongue. Now sketch the dragon. Like this. Paint the colors. Blue for the dots and horns. Black for all the face. And to go liner. Purple for the eyes. Marker next to the pupil. And to the corner of eyes. Some white sparkle dots here. Cut the scissors. Ta-da! Extra 2 fins. Now stick them to finish. Light for eyes. Fix it here.
Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland.
Soleram, anak yang manis, anak manis, janganlah dicium, sayang kalau dicium, merah pipinya. Kampungan jauh di batu, kunwasan sebaku liliang, takkan aja kawan-kawan nalamu, sangke basuh yang suriang.
So recently I followed a tutorial and made this here on my channel, which is, as you can see, a puppet that opens up in the middle like that. It's very cool. But there are a couple of things that I think I could fix about it, make it a little bit better. One thing is it's kind of hard to open up and down like this because the movement with your hand like this is hard to do because your pinky wants to move too. The second thing is that this does not line up straight. As you can see, it has a curve to it, and I think I can fix that. Those are the 2 main things I want to fix. I'm also thinking of making this one long piece of paper. That way it can be more sturdy. So instead of controlling it like this, I want to control it more like a traditional puppet with your thumb on the bottom like that. So I'll start by tracing out my hand on paper. So now I can use a ruler to design what I'm going to make so that way it fits my hand just right. I start in the middle. I'm going to trace it that way and the other way. There you go. I kind of have a rough draft of the shape I want to use. Now I can cut these out and then use those as a template, adding a little bit of an edge on each one. That way I can cut it out. So with each pattern traced out 4 times each, I even labeled them all. I can now cut these out. So with all the pieces cut out, I'm going to piece of paper and I'm going to cut it in half. Then I'm going to glue them together just like this. And I'm going to do that a few more times. And after it's glued together, I'm going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again until I have a really long piece like this. It's going to be the whole entire head. That way it can be one long continuous piece. And see, that helps. So now I can get the paper and I can glue it down the side here and then go back up. As you can see, when I have it done, I can just fold it and I can start gluing on the next piece. And with all of it together, I can start putting the pieces on the bottom just like this. And after cutting off the extra, I'm left with it like this. So that should really help it go up and down easier. As you can see, it stays together easier that way too. So I'm going to do the same thing again for the bottom. There you go, I have 2 of them. So let's put some paper in between these to hold them in together and see how it looks after that. There you go, I have it all together. Now let's put some rings instead so I can hold my fingers down better. I only put in 2 rings in there, one big one for my 2 fingers on the top and one for my thumb on the bottom. And let's see if it works. 3, 2, 1, and hey, look at that. It works, it stays together easily. I can move it around. And then when I want to, let's see, opens up real nice and big. I can do one side at a time and it works pretty well. So let me know what you think. You think I made an improvement to this or you think I should just go back to this? You know, I think I have an idea what I actually want to do with this design, but it's going to involve some foam and some fleece. So I'll do that later. Until then, have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Here's a dragon puppet tutorial you've all been waiting for. So when I'm drawing, I like to use Procreate. A free alternative to it would be Ibis PaintX. It's completely free and works just as well. Whenever I'm drawing, I always like to start out with a sketch, and I always make sure that the sketch fills up the entire page. Then I continue with the inking, and then I color it in. I'll make another video on how to make the eye, as I've been asked many times how do I make the eyes for my dragon puppets. Now you save your drawing. Then what you do is you send your drawing to your laptop. The way I just do it is by airdropping since I have an Apple computer and an Apple iPad. Now what you do is you can open up an application that you can use to print anything off. I like to use Pages. So what you do is you go here to Photos and you simply just drag and drop. Next, what you want to do is you want to make your drawing as big as you possibly can without cutting any bits off, just like that. Next, what you do is you do Command P on the keyboard. And that should pop up, and that's your printing thing. Now this part is a little bit more important, but you're going to only want to print off 1 copy. Now what you want to do is you want to go over to this window here and go to Arrange and go down to Flip, and you just want to flip the image over, because if you just print it off with the same side, you're only just going to get 2 of these. And let's print this puppy off. So now we have both sides printed off, and it should look like this. I'll be making a part 2 on how to cut these out. I do it in a very specific way. Please like and follow for part 2.
everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to make the 6-split puppet base. Enjoy! What you're going to need is some paper, some scissors, and glue. Take one sheet of paper and cut it in half. Now what you're going to do is fold them. I would recommend folding them pretty thin because your base is going to allegedly go on this. So then you're going to glue it together so it doesn't go loose or anything. Like this, and you're going to fold it in half. Like this. Do the same with the other side. So you should have 2 of these right now. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to make the size of the triangles the size of your 2 fingers. That way, just measure your 2 fingers like this. So you'll see 2 markings there. Then take your triangle, place it on, and trace out the base. Like this. Now you're going to cut it out by leaving some of the edges on the sides. Like this. Now you're going to fold this exactly on those edges. Like this. And you're going to trace it out on another paper. So then you should have 2 of them the exact same size. Now you're going to take all your parts and paste them together like this. Then they should look like this. They should be the same size exactly to fit on top of each other. Cut out 2 pieces of paper like this and paste it like this. One on the outside and one on the inside. Now your base can stay together, like this. Now make 2 more sets of these. After you got 3 bases like this, I'll show you how to paste them. So you're going to put them together like this. And you're going to be pasting them over here on all the edges where they should be together. It should look like this. Paste it together on the inside and outside. Make 5 rings for your puppet. Place the rings like this. Put your hand in like this. And there you go.